Good morning, my all beloved students. Today we will know little things about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. It was established in 1972 by United Nations. For almost 5 decades, World Environment Day has been raising awareness, supporting action, and driving changes for our environment. An earth anthem was penned by the poet Abhay Kumar, which is sung to celebrate World Environment Day. The anthem was launched in June 2013 on the occasion of World Environment Day by Kapil Sibal and Shashi Tharoor, then the Union Ministers of India, at a function held in New Delhi. It is supported by the global organization Habitat for Humanity. Thank you.
Today I would like to share my thought on occasion of Mother's Day. It's a special day every year. Second Sunday in the month of May is celebrated. This day teaches all of us to give love and respect to our mother. The word mother is full of love like that person, and in the strength she has to bring a new life and make it to survive, and the peace that the children get in their mother's lap. Mother is a beautiful role created by God and is toughest too. She becomes a doctor whenever her child falls sick. She becomes a teacher whenever she educates her child for proper lesson, and sometimes best friend whenever she shares her problem, her feelings. She also sacrificed so much for her child to give them happy, make them happy and prosperous. Nothing is enough to pay her for what she has done. She is doing, she will do for her child till the end of her life. Therefore, a day of the year has been dedicated to giving them love, respect and thanks. So students, all of you also love your mother too much. We also love our mother too much. So one thing you can do now, go and say your mother, I love you, embracing her. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are safe. Today, we, the students and the teachers of Infocus India Public School, are celebrating some days like Father's Day, Mother's Day, Environment Day, etc. etc. So for this purpose, for this celebration, I have got the topic to tell about, that is plantation or planting saplings. So for this reason, I am going to tell about plantation or planting saplings. First of all, we have to know what are saplings. Saplings means a young tree, especially one with a slender trunk. So why this topic? This topic is very much important, very much relevant nowadays. Why? Trees or plants are the most beneficial friend of us. As we all know that trees give us oxygen, without which we can't live. Trees give us food, without which we can't live. So, in one sentence, we can't live without trees. But urbanization, modernization kills millions of trees. As a result, our Mother Earth is going through a tough situation right now. We all know this pandemic disease is destroying our lives day by day. People are dying or about to die due to lack of oxygen. As plants give us oxygen naturally, it's high time to take steps like plantation. We have only one path, that to restore our Mother Earth. One of the restoration process is plantation. So students, do it. Charity begins at home. We all know that. Charity begins at home. So we have to take oath from today that we must plant saplings in every week. I am sure, I am confident that you will do it. We shall overcome Thank you all. Be safe. Stay safe. Thank you.
Hello kids, how are you? Hope you all are fine. This is your Rumpa ma'am. What a pleasant day outside. Look, the sky is blue and bright. Do you know kids, we are going to celebrate blue colored day today. So I am wearing a blue colored dress. So let's start with a beautiful rhymes. Okay? The wind is blue, 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 blue. The sky is blue, 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 blue. The kite is blue, 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 blue. The butterfly is blue, 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 blue. Hope you all are enjoyed the beautiful poem. Okay? So let me introduce some blue colored objects. Okay? What is this? Yes, this is a blue color balloon. Okay? So kids, what is this? Yes, this is cloud. The color of cloud is blue. This is a blue colored raindrop. Okay? So kids, what is this? This is butterfly. The color of butterfly is blue. And what is this? Yes, this is blue whale. The color of whale is